Meiosis reading. Asexual reproduction is the production of offspring from one parent without shuffling any genetic information. In organisms that produce asexually, new cells are created by mitosis. Since asexual reproduction occurs only by mitosis, it results in offspring that are genetically identical with the parent. Sexual reproduction involves the production of egg and sperm cells in the parents and the fusion of those cells during reproduction. Meiosis is the process that produces egg and sperm cells. The egg and sperm cells are then united to produce offspring. Such offspring are genetically different from both parents. This is because meiosis combines genetic information in new ways. Formation of egg and sperm. Meiosis is the process of nuclear division that reduces the number of chromosomes by half. This process of cell division is involved in sexual reproduction. In organisms that reproduce sexually, meiosis produces egg cells and sperm cells. These cells are called gametes. Gametes have half the number of chromosomes as normal cells. In sexually reproducing organisms, the two gametes fuse during fertilization to form a new organism with genetic information that is different from both parents. In animals, male gametes, called sperm, are produced in the male reproductive organs. Each new cell becomes a sperm cell. Female gametes, or eggs, are formed in the female reproductive organs. However, only one egg cell is produced. The other three cells cannot produce offspring. Phases of meiosis. In meiosis, two nuclear divisions take place instead of one, as in mitosis. In meiosis 1, the first division, the homologous chromosomes are separated into separate cells. In meiosis 2, the second division, the chromatids of each chromosome divide into separate cells. The result is that all daughter cells have 1/2 the number of chromosomes as the parent cell. Meiosis 1. Meiosis 1, like mitosis, follows a period of interphase. During meiosis 1, the parent cell produces two daughter cells, each one member of each pair of homologous chromosomes. Chromosome number has been divided in half, but each chromosome having been replicated earlier, so it is still twice the original amount of DNA. As you read the following description of the 4 phases of meiosis 1, refer to the illustration below. Prophase 1. DNA strands have coiled, shortened, and thickened, and are referred to as chromosomes. The nuclear membrane disappears. A second step, which does not take place during mitosis, occurs. Every chromosome lines up next to its homologous pair. This pairing of homologous chromosomes is called synapsis. Metaphase 1. The paired homologous chromosomes move to the equator of the cell. The homologous pairs of chromosomes remain together. Anaphase 1. The homologous pairs of chromosomes separate, as shown in the illustration. As in the anaphase phase in mitosis, each chromosome of each pair is pulled in one direction and the other is pulled in the opposite direction. Each chromosome is still composed of two chromatids joined by the centromere. Telophase and cytokinesis. The cytoplasm divides, forming two daughter cells. This is the final stage of meiosis 1. Meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 occurs in each cell formed during meiosis 1 and is not preceded by DNA replication. Refer to the diagrams as you read about the phases of meiosis 2. Prophase 2. The DNA of some organisms, particularly plants, coil again into chromosomes, having uncoiled between telophase 1 and prophase 2. Metaphase 2. The chromosomes are moved to the cell equator. Each chromosome is made of two sister chromatids that are joined by a centromere. Anaphase 2. The centromeres joining the chromatids divide. freeing each sister chromatid from the other. Then each sister chromatid is moved toward the opposite pole. Telophase 2 and cytokinesis. The nuclear membrane forms around the DNA strands in each daughter cell. Meiosis 2 is complete, and cytokinesis occurs. The two nuclear divisions of meiosis result in 4 daughter cells from a single parent cell, each with half the number of chromosomes as the parent. References from this reading are taken from Curtis and Barnes' Invitation to Biology, published by Worth Publishers Incorporated in 1981. Johnson and Raven, Biology, Principles and Explorations, published by Holt, Reinhardt, and Winston in 1996. Tolley, Modern Biology, Holt, Reinhardt, and Winston in 1989.